Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. And today we're going to take a look at the Lockjaw Ladder Grip. Let's take a close look at this thing. So the main thing that you're going to use these for is to lock your ladder to your gutter system on your house so that you can't fall. Kind of a protection mechanism. So when you first look at this, it looks all plastic because it's bright. Well, it is a heavy-duty plastic, but it's also got fiberglass reinforcement in it. And it is pretty heavy-duty, much more heavy-duty than you think just looking at the pictures. I like the rubber. They have a rubber jaw protector here, one here, and even on the side. So what that does is when you lock that onto your gutter, you won't scratch up your nice gutters. It has a little clip mechanism here, so you can take this thing and clip it onto your belt and go up your ladder. When you get ready to use it, unclip it, and now you're ready to use it. How you actually make this work, though, obviously this goes on the gutter, but how do you attach it to the ladder? It's these little metal bars right here. And if you look, there's an adjustment screw right here. Let me pull my glove off. You will actually turn this and it will change where this is at. It moves forward or backwards. And this will clip on the side of your metal ladder. You get it where you want it, and then you'll start ratcheting this thing shut. Just like this. Actually, it's a safety mechanism here so you can't accidentally hit it while you're climbing up and down the ladder, but you will ratchet it into place with this right here, lock it in, and now you won't be falling or your ladder won't be sliding off. Now, one little caveat to this thing, I will tell you, if you're a fairly heavy or big person like I am, and you're going up and down that ladder, you may want to have two of these, one for each side of the ladder. That way you can lock in and it gives you double protection. So if you're trying to stay safe and you really don't like ladders a whole lot, you want to make sure that thing doesn't come sliding down, do yourself a favor and get one of the Lockjaw ladder protectors today. I don't think you'll regret it, and we'll see you guys on the next review.